Welcome to the Rochester. One of the gated condominiums here in Pasig. Mid-rise condominium. There is a basketball court, clubhouse, yan. Punta tayo sa clubhouse, sa amenities. Lawak, maganda. And the swimming pool. Ayan, swimming pool natin may pang adult, may pang kids din. Meron ding playground. So if you have any questions, gusto mag-previewing, message lang dito and we will accommodate you.